I can feel it. Pretty, overflowing summer flowers are in your future. And to get you there, you'll do best if you groom to bloom. Our friend and master gardener, Jerry Goodspeed, shows the right way to clean out a flower bed.
We're here at the Botanical Center, and spring has sprung. We've got flowers starting to bloom, and so it's time to get out into the garden and start cleaning it up a little bit. So today we're going to show you a couple of tips on how to get ready for the summer. So in this flower bed, we can see that we have a number of different perennials. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the bed, and we're just going to kind of clean up some of the dead wood or the dead leaves. We're going to begin with irises, and as you can see here, these irises in about a month and a half are going to be beautiful. The pinks and the purples and the whites and the salmons. But right now, in order to get that really good look, we're just going to walk through and clean up what's dead as best we can. Irises are really easy to clean up. You're just going to pull out this dead material in here. In fact, I kind of like doing it. It's kind of therapeutic a little bit. Another real common perennial is ornamental grass. And there are a lot of different types of ornamental grasses. There's tall ones, there's ones that hug the ground. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about cleaning them up this time of the year, especially those that have some green already in them, but also have a lot of dead leaves. We want to be able to remove them, and we do this by simply reaching down into the plant itself and just pulling up. And anything that's dead will come up a lot easier. Besides the ornamental grasses, there's another plant that looks really good in the summer and in the fall, and that's these sedums that we have. Sedums really shine in the fall, but this time of the year, we may still have some dead plant material on them. We just want to clean that up, and they're usually pretty easy to clean up. Normally you can just snap these flower heads right off of the plant, and pretty soon, within a couple of months, you'll see some new flower heads starting to form, and by the end of the summer, beautiful plants again. I wanted to show one more really typical perennial that we see a lot of in the garden, and this is the catmint. Now, catmint is not catnip, but it has a beautiful blue flower on it. It usually blooms in the early summer, but it is very typical of a lot of the perennials we do see. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to remove the dead wood, and we're not going to worry too much about getting into the green as well, because it will grow out of that no problem at all. The important thing here is just to remove any of the dead so that the new green stuff can get the light it needs. And within a month or two, you're going to see some beautiful flowers, and after that, the plant will be just fine for the rest of the year. You know, after you get all of your plants cleaned up and all the dead removed, and you're looking out there and you see green, some of that green you see may be weeds. And this time of the year is the best time to start to control those weeds because they're small, the soil still has moisture in it, and so they're easy to remove. So I will just take a hoe or even by hand, pull these weeds, get them out of there while they're young and easy, and then I will probably put down a mulch layer. This can be a soil pep, it can be bark, anything along those lines to help control the weeds. Or you can also use a pre-emergent, which is available at most nurseries and garden centers, and the pre-emergent will help control those weeds for up to 60 to 90 days. And there you go. You have a beautiful perennial bed, just like we do here. A little bit of work, and now you can go in and enjoy knowing that your plants are happy, they're going to be blooming soon, and you've got them all ready for the summer.
Yeah, that's what we want. Happy plants. I like that, Jerry Goodspeed. He feels like part gardener, part therapist. Very soothing. That was a good hand-holding process as he took us through step by step. So now I guess the work's ahead of us, right? Jerry, thank you so much.